Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. This is Blockchain Vitals, and it's our daily show talking cryptocurrencies, assets in the matrix. I'm a master endotechnician. Everything's in the matrix trading. Everything's digital. I saw a tweet today, or yesterday actually, and it's about an ophthalmological. That's a tough one. Anyway. They're making these inserts to go in your eye where they think that they're going to be able to have on-screen display in your eye. Talk about in the matrix. We were talking about it in my trading group this morning. It's like you could be on the chairlift and you can have the charts being displayed. I don't know. Maybe you can just interface with it. Have an AI interface right to your brain, right to your trading account, or right to the trade desk, or right to the market itself, buy and sell. People think you're crazy, right? You'll be sitting on the chairlift and you'll be going, sold! Anyway, that's what we talk about when we don't know what to do on the trading front. Anyway, let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, my chance to talk about a headline or a tweet or something I'm seeing in the crypto space that's caught my attention, and we got two of them here today because what came first, the tweet or the headline? I think the tweet came first, but I want to talk about it. Binance stablecoin, CZ, who is the founder of Binance Exchange, in possible tip of the hand. Anyway, his possible tip was this. Let's bring it up. The tweet, Crypto's Batman. If Binance decides to issue their own stablecoin, it will become one of the biggest tokens on the Binance chain and increase the network usage and the utility of BNB a lot. Major projects have already launched their own stablecoins, and I can see Binance doing it as well. And CZ tweets back, careful what you wish for. Now, he's actually done this before in the past. And the things that he was tweeting about, careful what you wish for, actually came true. For me, it's all about the price and the trajectory and the implications for the BNB token, right? I've talked about the BNB token for several months now. I talked about it last night. The fact that it is the only token with the chart setup of the major 12 that it has on the daily, the weekly, the monthly. No other coin has this chart set up. And if there's a fundamental change that is going to increase the usage and utility of BNB a lot, that this guy says, and I actually do believe that, you don't want to be getting rid of your BNB for sure. Anyway, let's take the vitals and talk about the actionable trading levels for the 2nd of May, all right? Taking the vitals, my chance to talk about the actual actionable trading information going on in the market. And I don't know if you know or not, but at EndoTech.io, we have that market vitals sheet up, and we also have a comment written every day by a 40-year veteran of the commodity and markets, my brother John Heffernan, and he pointed out, correctly so, and I actually did notice this, of the incredible discrepancy between the price discovery at Bitfinex and what that chart looks like versus the rest of the price discovery, including the futures chart, I might add, of Bitcoin. And so Bitfinex chart looking way more explosive than the other charts. And, for me, I don't know what to make of it. I got to tell you, I don't know what to make. I don't know whether to discount that the risk premium that they're putting into the Bitfinex chart, or whether to say, well, you got to, I don't know. I'm not going to tell you I know something when I don't know it, and I really don't know. The fact of the matter remains that the levels are different on both charts, but, and I'm going to discuss these levels here. So the upmo on the daily in Bitcoin, 55.34. Right now trading 56.45 last at Bitfinex. So it's solidly an upmo on the daily. really not able to spend much time above that 5660, which is that monthly moving average level. And by the way, I've been running the monthly charts on Bitfinex the whole time. So, and honestly, the weekly and the monthly charts don't look so different between exchanges. It's just the daily fractal, because this risk premium has really been added into the market since the Bitfinex story broke, with the New York Attorney General prying, just to put it mildly. But anyway, I mean, these are the levels that are important. So above 5660, you're above that monthly moving average, and that's looking pretty damn healthy. For me on the daily, that you want to see them hold 5534, and room down to 5100. That's the weekly up momentum level. Any washout to there has to be bought the first time down. That's what I'm seeing. The thing that gets tricky, though, is that, for instance, at Bitstamp, this market has not retaken the highs of the news. In fact, it's not in up momentum. 53.94 is that up momentum level at Bitstamp. The bands are way flat at Bitstamp on the daily chart. And so it's a completely different looking picture. And I got to tell you, I don't know what to make of it. I do know, though, that, from a health standpoint, 52.80 at Bitstamp is the daily center line or daily average. You don't want to see it take that out. And the other thing that gets interesting is that 5100 level on the weekly, a lot more attainable at Bitstamp than at Bitfinex, right? And so what does that mean? Well, we will see. And actually, the Bitstamp weekly is just not much. It's just a little bit lower than that, 49.97 up more on the weekly at Bitstamp. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing. I think for me, for all times in trading, you got to stick with one chart that you're trading off of. When you start jumping between charts or between price discovery, and I got to tell you, I have a lot of experience here for several years. First in the trading business, doing foreign exchange, and I like the Merck charts. I like the futures chart, and I get in arguments all the time with the bank traders in New York, that we're looking at the cash chart, and all I'm saying to you is you're going to make a decision off a chart. Don't start vacillating because of another chart. Stay disciplined to the homework that you've done, and stay with the chart that you're looking at. All right, so I'm staying with Bitfinex. And my brother's throwing caution to the wind with these other chart formations, and we will see what happens, because price discovery will bear it out, right? That's what happens. The price bears it out. Anyway, that's what I got. Listen, thank you so much for watching on Facebook. Please share this. Please like our page, and I will upload to YouTube this segment. And if you want to watch the entire segment, you need to get to EndoTech.io and subscribe for all of the actionable trading information that we are supplying around trading cryptos. And soon we will be supplying the actionable trading information, automated bots for FX and for commodities in the near future. All right. Thank you so much for watching on Facebook. All right, let's continue here.